In this video, you will learn the basics of Office 365, including navigating your OneDrive account, tips for copying and moving files in and out of your OneDrive, and how to share a file or folder with others. From the Office 365 dashboard, select the OneDrive tile with the cloud icon. You can also find a link in the App Launcher or the waffle. On the left, you will find the navigation menu. Whatever you select from this menu determines what content appears in the center column. For example, you can view recent items and content others have shared with you. This is where you will also find a link to your recycle bin. If I click on Files, you will see my personal files and folders. Think of this as your My Documents in the cloud. You can create new content using the drop-down menu next to New. Select Upload to locate files stored on your computer, or simply drag and drop files and folders from your desktop. When copying large numbers of files, you may encounter an error based on the size or number of items. We suggest copying fewer than 100 files at a time. Notice the folder called Email Attachments. If you ever encounter a prompt when using email to save a file to OneDrive, it will be saved in this location. To move the file to another location, select it. Choose Move To from the top menu or embedded menu. Your OneDrive folder structure will appear on the right. Choose the desired location and click Move here. The process for sharing a file or folder from OneDrive is quite simple. Select the item. Remember, the selection button or 3 ellipses menu will not appear until your mouse hovers over the item. Then choose Share from either the top or embedded menu. Type the last name of the person with whom you want to share, and click the name when it appears in the list to add that person. Notice the small blue text above the name. By default, your sharing counterparts will be able to edit your file. If desired, click the blue text to change access and edit settings. Here you can provide view-only access and limit access to only users within the school district or only those with whom you directly selected for sharing. You can also set an expiration date for the link. Save any changes, then click Share. Once you invite someone to share a file or folder, that item should appear in the Shared with Me section of their OneDrive account. You can also share a file or folder using the Get a Link option. With this method, users can only access the shared item using a link. It will not appear in the Shared with Me section of OneDrive. Select the item and choose Get a Link from the menu. First, you should consider whether or not you need to change the permissions. By default, anyone with the link will be able to edit. If desired, click the Anyone with this link text and change the desired settings. You should see the same options available in the share process described previously. Click the Get a Link text, copy the URL, and share via email or paste to a site such as Schoology for easy access. Remember, OneDrive is a cloud-based storage solution enabling you to create, copy, move, and share files with colleagues or students. Use the waffle to navigate between online programs and copy or move files to and from your OneDrive account as needed.